Hello students, today we are going to study about process of harvesting. Cutting the crop after it has matured is known as harvesting. When the crops are ready, after all the processes, agriculture activities which we have studied earlier, farmers cut their ready crops and that is known as harvesting. Harvesting can be done by manually, either by hand or by sickle or by machine which is called combine or harvester. Harvesting time is very important for any of the crop. In our country, we have two main crops, the Kharif and Rabi crop. The sowing and harvesting time of these crop basically as Kharif crop are sown in June and July and harvested in September or October, and Rabi crops are sown in October and December and harvested in March and April. After harvesting, there is another process known as threshing. What is threshing? That's separating the grains from the stalk. First farmer cut the ready crop and then grains have to be separated from the stalk, which is known as threshing. It may be done manually by striking the harvested crops against a hard surface or by using a machine which is called thresher. One more machine is available nowadays which is called combine, as we have discussed in the process of harvesting. Combine is a machine which do both the processes together, harvesting and threshing. The crops are cut from the field and also the grains are separated from the stalk by the same machine. So two work are done at the same time. After the grains are separated from the stalk, the chaff, which is the covering of the seed, need to be separated from it, and that is done by another process which is called winnowing. Separating the chaff from the grain is known as winnowing. This process of separating the grain is usually done by putting the seed from a height so that chaff, which is lighter in weight, is blown away by the wind and the grains are collected at the same place in the form of a heap. Let us summarize what we have learned today. We have learned three processes: harvesting, that is cutting the crop after it has matured; threshing, that is separating grains from the stalk; and winnowing, that is separating the chaff from the grains. Thank you.